Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not busy, make welcome the pragmatic, the only chairman of Boni local government.
Your Excellency, the most dependable, the most reliable, the most dogged, the most stable, the most capacity leader, and the most fantastic leader of River State politics. Minister of the Federal Capital Territory of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Buruburu, Nigeria.
Chairman Kumo Kanonoko,
Dikoha, my political leader, my political godfather, a man in whom I am well pleased, a man in whom many people are proud of. Your Excellency, on behalf of the leaders of Boni local government, I most humbly and respectively welcome you to your home, the Boni Kingdom. Welcome, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, let me sincerely use this rare opportunity and privilege, thank you, to convey a message to Mr. President that for the first time in the history of Boni local government, we can drive from Port Harcourt to Boni local government. Your Excellency, the first experience that I had driving from Port Harcourt to Boni, I was in tears. My mother didn't experience that. My father didn't experience that. The rare opportunity that I used to enjoy that privilege, I was in tears. Because through you, Mr. President has completed that project. We will thank Mr. President by delivering these 165 units and 12 political walls to Mr. President in 2027. Your Excellency, under your watch, Boni people enjoyed the construction and completion of the Boni Billion jetty. Without your intervention, we know how the jetty was. To the glory of God, we are enjoying that opportunity. Boni local government is now an amphibious local government. You can come through land, you can come through water, you can come through air. Your Excellency, it is a record that you completed the construction of the shore protection project in Ablabia community. Your Excellency, that community was suffering erosion. Your intervention for the complete of that project, today the community is safe. Thank you, Nyerishi. Ibialawe, Nyerishi. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, it is a record that you initiated the remodeling of the famous Boni National Grammar School. Your Excellency, that project was about 86% when you left. Up to today, your successor has not completed the project. It is unfortunate, Your Excellency, that in the history of democracy, from 1999 to 2023, no Ijaw man has been governor of Rivers State. from 1999 to 2007, from 2007 to 2015, from 2015 to 2023. Only you, Dikoha, gave opportunity for a German to be governor of River State.
Yes, we go.
Your Excellency, Ijaw people are grateful to you. Ijaw people are indebted to you. After 24 years, you made it possible. Let me say clearly that we are not part of those who are ungrateful. Many people are grateful people. Ijaw people are grateful people. By the grace of God, Your Excellency, anywhere you direct us, we shall go. Your Excellency, the 165 units and 12 political wards of the local government, we are absolutely in charge. When you direct us, we go. Finally, Your Excellency, I have this opportunity to stand before you. Yesterday, I never had such privilege. If not for you, I won't be standing here to address our people. If not for you, in 2015, I wouldn't have gone to House of Assembly. If not for you, in 2019, I wouldn't have gone to House of Assembly. If not for you, in 2024, I was Commissioner, Assembly Service Commission. Today, 2025, I am the chairman for the local government because of you. Your Excellency, I have told my people that from today, my name is Amasanebo. I've been here blessing, yes, some Wike people.
Tiamo, na wajamano. Tiamo. If you see a video, we can hello. Na majamano. Tiamo.
Excellency, finally, I want to thank you on behalf of the local government, welcome you and members of your entourage to your local government. Thank you and God bless you, Your Excellency.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not busy, congratulate and thank the chairman of Bonny Local Government, Amasanebo, Engineer Blessing Abiye Pepo, TSSRS, pragmatic and performing chairman of Bonny Local Government. Bonny, 3 Bosa for chairman. Bosa. Thank you. All right, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for the presentation of gifts to the Honorable Minister.
Your Excellency, on behalf of Chairman of Council, I want to present to you our traditional fish in Bonny Local Government Council. Please, we are very happy to have you in Bonny. You're welcome, sir. God bless you. Thank you very much, sir.
While the presentation is ongoing, we would like to warmly recognize the presence of Senator Olaka Wogo, who has joined the FCT Minister to Bonny today. We also like to recognize the presence of Honorable Dr. Roland Sekibo, Director General of Rivers Ijos People Congress. Please, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for them.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, while we await the presentation of gifts ongoing, we'd like to recognize the man who represented Rivers Southeast Senatorial District at the National Assembly, distinguished Senator Olaka Wogu. A warm round of applause for him. We'd like to welcome in the same vein the Director General of the Rivers Ijaw People's Congress, the former Executive Chairman of Akpoti-Uduaghan Local Government, Honorable Dr. Roland Sekibo, DSSRS. A warm round of applause for him. Thank you for coming and honoring us in Bonny Local Government.
We would like for some performances to entertain our guests. We have the Abara International Cultural Group. Please. Okay. All right. To go ahead with the goodwill messages while the groups prepare, we would like to now invite the Vice Chairman of Bonny Local Government, Honorable Ibifa Rena Alabere, to talk to us.
Women, oh yeah! Women, I can't hear you. Women, oh yeah! Bonny Local Government, the woman that holds sway for women is here. Women, oh yeah! We have the singular privilege of welcoming to the mic the Vice Chairman of Bonny Local Government.
Women, oh yeah! World 1, oh yeah! World 2, oh yeah! World 3, oh yeah! World 4, World 5, World 6, World 7, World 8, World 9, World 10, World 11, World 12! Non-indigenous, Sakofori! His Excellency, the Federal Minister of FCT, Chief Barrister Yeson Wike, GCON, GSSROS, Life Venture, POS Africa. As the Vice Chairman of Bonny Local Government, I stand to let you know that the whole women in Bonny Local Government have agreed that come 2027, we will vote for Ahmed Tinubu. I also want to inform you, His Excellency, that your structure in Bonny Local Government is intact. Women, oh yeah! Anyone. So, Your Excellency, we say welcome to Bonny. As our tradition say, we say Igbo Mae, Igbo Mae, Igbo Mae.
Ladies and gentlemen, just to take another goodwill message real quick, we would now like to invite our former local government chairman, Barrister Honorable Edward Pepple, to talk to us.
Renewed hope! Renewed hope! Renewed hope! Your Excellency, our dear leader, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. For the sake of time, I'd like to adopt the protocol list as read out by the MCs. Your Excellency, I joined our dynamic leader, my younger brother, my friend, and strong political associate, Abie Blessing Pepple, to welcome you to Bonny. On this occasion, it is for us to say thank you. Thank you for providing strong leadership to the Renewed Hope family.
Thank you for all the support you have given to us as political supporters. We are grateful, we will remain grateful, and I know that Bonny will remain grateful. The renewed hope agenda have spoken to its name in the lives of every Bonny person. The new road you rode on today is a testimony to that. Our people, like the chairman said, we are always very grateful. Come 2027, we shall deeply express our thanks and appreciation through our voters' card. I thank you, I welcome you, and I pray that you remain strong. You remain strong, and God will guide you through. Thank you, and God bless you.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to continue the goodwill message, I have the privilege to welcome Ama Senebo Lawrence Pebble.
Renewed hope! Renewed hope! Renewed hope! Your Excellency, our leader, the dogged political juggernaut of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, our brother, our leader. Welcome home. Welcome home to where you know how to do it best. We have had the privilege of seeing people come and go. But Your Excellency, yours is different. I want to tell you, Your Excellency, that you can go home and assure our president that we are solidly and doggedly ready to deliver him in 2027. But finally, let me say, in the word of our Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Wike is a force of nature. You hate him, you love him at your own peril. Nothing had happened since the dispensation of 1999 like the appointment of Wike. Thank you and God bless you.
A warm round of applause for Ama Senebo Lawrence Pebble. In that same vein, I would like to welcome for his goodwill message the representative representing Bonny Degema Federal Constituency, Rep. Cyril Hart. Bonny, make some noise for Rep. Cyril Hart.
Renewed hope! Renewed hope! Renewed hope! Your Excellency, the performing minister of the Federal Capital Territory. Your Excellency, the Nostradamus of present-day Nigerian politics, who led us to sing on your mandate in 2023, and it paid off. Your Excellency, again, you are leading us again to sing on your mandate in 2027. And by God's grace, it's going to pay off. Your Excellency, the council chairman has taken time to enumerate all that you did for us, and I endorse it. But I would like to deviate a bit from what Mr. President referred to you as Mr. Infrastructure, corroborated with what Abie just said. Your Excellency, that is what I call the unspoken legacies of Minister Wike. What is that unspoken legacy of Minister Wike? Today in the National Assembly, Your Excellency, we are thinking of how to carry out women inclusion. We are thinking of how to pass the reserve bills to accommodate women in the National Assembly and the State House of Assembly. Your Excellency, this was what you did in 2018 when you insisted that every local government council must have at least 5 female councillors. You proceeded to say that mandatory vice chairmen must be women. That is when they don't get the topmost job. Your Excellency did not stop there. You said women must be adequately represented in the House of Assembly. I want to report, Your Excellency, that today in the House of Representatives, we have 15 women. Your Excellency, you produced 2 nationwide. Your Excellency, in the Senate, we have 4 female senators. Your Excellency, you produced 1 nationwide. So for those of us whom we have taught women inclusion, we are going to join the wife of the president and the first lady of Nigeria to support the bill for the inclusion of women to create a reserve seat for them, because you have taught us women inclusion. Your Excellency, let me come back home. I remember when our late leader was alive, your dear friend, may his soul rest in peace. Each time you want to visit Bonny, you will call him to say, main man, how is the weather? Main man, how is the tide? Is it flowing or is it ebbing? Today, all that is history, because the president has connected us to the rest of Nigeria via the Bonny Border Road project. Your Excellency, let me conclude by saying that hours after the 2023 governorship election result was announced, the Bonny people, and by that I mean Opopo and Bonny, Your Excellency, will roll out the drums. Your Excellency, will roll out the gigi, the walk canoe. Then sang us the famous song, Towaraya Mama,
Towaraya Mama,
Seya Omela,
Iya Nome,
One Wurubike,
Towaraya Mama, Iya Nomela.
Your Excellency, I want to ask very passionately, what has changed? What indeed has changed? What has withheld our thanks? What has made our thanks inconsistent? Your Excellency, those of us who are standing here with you, we refer to ourselves as the Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego of present-day Nigerian politics. We shall not bow. We shall not be intimidated. And we stand with you very firmly. And that song, that thank you song to you, we still sing it in our hearts till this day. Thank you and God bless you, Your Excellency.
If you are clapping, let's do it better for our rep, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we would now like to invite very warmly one of our leaders, in fact, our leader of the Renewed Hope family in Bonny local government, to talk to us and invite our leader to talk to us. Please, ladies and gentlemen, let's invite Honorable George Tolofare to talk to us, please.
APC, APC, APC. Your Excellency, my dear friend and brother, leader of men and resources, the unifier of the APC and the PDP in Rivers State. It has never been done anywhere else in this country. Your Excellency, if you recall, the red pen, the story of the red pen started here in Bonny local government area when you came here for campaigns and you said you are giving us that red pen. But as we speak today, that red pen is dry. That red pen ends here today. Your Excellency, with the crowd you have seen here today, today is Thursday. So many persons have gone to work. So many persons are at the site. So the people that didn't go to work and the people that took permission and were granted are the persons you are seeing here today. If it was on a weekend, maybe a Saturday or Sunday, you will have seen more crowd. So the show of support you see here today tells you one thing, that the Bonny man is not an ungrateful person. That the Bonny man is never ungrateful. They are happy with the least thing you do for them. The Bonny man does not play eye service or lip service to peace. The Bonny man is committed to peace. The Bonny man is a lover of peace. But today, we are disheartened with what is happening in Rivers State today. But we know that, like you say in other areas, you have made a mistake. But there's one mistake you didn't make. Well, we'll help you correct that mistake. That's why we are here with you today. In 2027, we'll correct that mistake that you made in 2023. But one mistake you didn't make, Your Excellency, is to give us a young gentleman as our chairman. is to give us a young gentleman as our chairman. Abie Blessing People has done very well in this short period of 3 months. That's 100 days. We are happy with his developmental strides. We are happy with all he has done. You didn't make a mistake here. And I will assure you that myself, all the leaders and members of the Renewed Hope family are solidly behind you. We shall deliver His Excellency, the President of the Federation, like you have said, and will deliver whoever you say we should deliver at the state level. Thank you, Your Excellency. Indeed, you are a friend, you are a brother of the Ibani people. And I want the crowd to help me sing this song. I'm calling it a beat. They used to say, now our papa be this, so be so. But in this case, Yes, Wike is our brother. So let's sing together. Band, please help us. Now our brother be this, oh, Now our brother be this, oh, we no get another one. Now our brother be this, oh, Having said that, Your Excellency, I want to humbly and most respectfully invite you to the podium to speak with your brothers and sisters from the Ibani nation. Please, let us welcome His Excellency.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, ready to welcome the pragmatic minister of the LCT, the man of such a way, Dike Haikwere, Mene Kwalenu One.
This guy gone, another one, we just say another one, we just say another one, here is another one, here is another
Our dear leaders, particularly the leader of the Renewed Hope family in Bonny local government area, my brother and friend George Tolofare, the vibrant chairman of this great local government. Honorable Abie Blessing People, our dear brother, very good lawmaker, Honorable Cyril Hart, the vice chairman of the council and councillors that are here, the chairman of PDP and APC in the state that are here, the chairman of APC and PDP in Bonny local government area. Our dear leaders, other leaders, a lot of people, and the rest of them that are here that I have forgotten their names. The single senators, our dear elder, Chief Federal Alabrava, let me say to the Bonny people, Happy New Year. This year will be better than last year. I said this year will be better than last year. We have come here today to show to you that we don't take your support for granted. In life, when people have contributed, no matter how small it may be, it behoves on you to go to them to say, thank you for this help. And so we felt that as grateful people, as those who appreciate when people have helped them, it's important we come this year before we start the next activity to tell Bonny people, thank you for what you've done before. In 2023, it was difficult when we decided to support our president, Aswaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We never knew that the risk we are taking, that would be a good one. And we thank God today. At that time, the people of Bonny stood firm and said, yes, you will join us and take the same risk. One thing I've always told people, we never had any written agreement with the president. The only agreement I can say is that he told us, go and support us. When you support us, you will not be in vain. All of us know that this Bonny road has been a political road for long. Is it not correct? Every government comes, every government goes, we will do Bonny road. But see how, without prompting, without putting pressure on him, as we are coming, I said to God be the glory, that in our time, we are riding on this road. Each time, when the Minister of Works will be briefing the Federal Executive Council about how far the Bonny road has gone, I will not talk. I will keep quiet. I said, well, I don't want to know how far. All I know, let us ride on the road. And let me use this prayer to thank my friend and my brother, the Minister of Works, David Umbahi, for fulfilling and making sure Mr. President's dream has come to reality. Reality that we cannot drive to Port Harcourt. Let me tell you the simple truth. Before, each time we want to come to Bonny for campaign, we look at ourselves and say, my brother, how is the tide? Even when I'm in the helicopter, I will see the ocean. I say, God, let me come back today. But you see, as we are coming here, I say, God, may you be glorified. Now tell me why anybody in Bonny will not support Mr. President. Is there any reason? Even if nothing again has been done, which is not going to be so, but at this road, not just it is a road, it's a road constructed by one of the giants of construction companies, Julius Berger. I thank God. It's a world class. I even thought that as we were coming, that's why we will stop. And then they said no car will come in. Not knowing that you can drive directly. Bonny people, God's time is the best. And God's time has come. And you will benefit and enjoy this Tinubu's government. Let nobody come and tell you any story again. This one you have seen is better than any promise. So I thank you. And let me also tell you that your leaders here have shown loyalty, have shown dedication, have shown commitment. I tell people, husband and wife quarrel, brothers quarrel, sisters quarrel. So in politics, there will always be disagreement. What is important is having the capacity to agree to disagree and disagree to agree. Nobody should think that you go for a political meeting. If one man says sorry, will say yes. No. People will say this way is not the best way. But at the end of the day, they will agree on something. And when a place is united, you will see the benefit that will accrue to the people. I thank God that our leader here, the Trofari, has said so, commending the chairman of council. Srihat has commended the chairman of council.
You know, the big baller sit down. Oh, you're not Agba baller. Oh, yeah, how much is money? Balling. It's a premium or nothing. Now you know. Say, well, I'm a boo. For the person, man.
So I will carry a message. I will take a message back to Mr. President and tell him the good people of Bonny are very, very happy with him. He should wait and we'll see what will happen in 2027. That was important for us. So I will advise you to continue to work together so you can bring more things for the people of Bonny. I will not disappoint you people because you have shown me love, because you have shown that you are people that can be trusted. I have told people I don't believe in generalizing. If, for example, somebody in Bonny disappoints you, you say Bonny people are bad. That's very wrong. There are different class of people. There are places you have armed robbers. You have ordinary people who steal. So you cannot say because somebody stole, therefore the whole body people stole. That is not it. The good people are more in number than the few people who want to rob us black. But God is infinite mercy will not allow evil to prevail over light.